Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carissa, and if you want to see a haul of a bunch of different comfortable, cool clothing, then please keep watching.
In the calm fall air, and I think I'm changing back into someone I like to call myself.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I have a few things to show you today I think you're really gonna like. I'm obsessed with shopping. If you don't know that, now you do. I have a little bit of a problem, but that's fine because I have dope clothes most of the time to wear.
Okay.
Anyways, let's just get right into it. I will tell you the sizing, and the price and where I got it from will always be in the description if I can't remember it off the top of my head. I'm going to show you, first and foremost, a t-shirt. I've been like loving t-shirts lately, and I used to never be able to find t-shirts that fit till I realized I need to get them in like a men's size or a woman's medium or large. This one, I think it's pronounced either LES girls, LES boys, or lay girls, lay boys. I went to this sample sale and picked up this t-shirt, and I got it in a size large. It's 100% cotton. It is a great fitting t-shirt with a low drop sleeve or drop shoulder on the top. I wear this with everything. People always ask me where it's from. I think it's the like bright splattered red paint. I love this t-shirt. I'm always, if I ever see t-shirts when I'm out with like big graphics, I pick them up right away, and I normally get them in like a men's large. I just think the bigger the better, and you can always shrink them, but they just don't look as cool when they're fitted to me. Second thing I picked up, I get a lot of questions about this hoodie, and it is the most basic hoodie ever. It is from H&M, the men's section. It's a size large. It's just a black hoodie. I actually think it's the longer one, like the longer body. And I wear this like literally over top of everything. I just feel like their hoodies are cheap, they're great quality, and they go with everything. And I just, every time I'm about to leave the house, I feel like that's what I grab. Like I just grab a big ass men's hoodie. And if you ever notice that when you're at your boyfriend's house and it's like the only hoodies you want to wear are his, like why not buy your own? So that, you know, you can have one when you're home and you'll have a boyfriend, you don't have a man, you single.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm not single, but I just, you know, I get you, I feel you, relatable. So yeah, I get questions about this hoodie all the time. It was cheap, and it's just a black hoodie from H&M. All your basics, H&M men's section is fire for that. These next pieces are from a company in Philadelphia called OVO Skateboards. They have the most original designs, and I always pay attention to what people ask about the most when I'm wearing certain things, and I get asked about two pieces in particular I have from OVO Skateboards. This is one. It is a skull that says "Till Death" right underneath of it, and it's just like a light gray burnt kind of a color. The material is really great, and this also goes with everything, and I think that the graphic it really just stands out, especially because the eyes are like super vibrant and red. And the second piece of clothing I got from OVO Skateboards is this t-shirt. This has got to be one of my favorite t-shirts. I feel like I wear it all the time. So many people have seen it in my Instagram, and it just says Loyal on the front. And when I first got it, I didn't realize that was the name of the company. I just loved that it said Loyal. And now that I know that's the name of the company, it's like I like it even more. I love the color. I love that it's purple and yellow. And this t-shirt, I believe, is in a size medium, and the hoodie is also in a size medium. But again, I would size up. If you're, you know, a little smaller than me, I would still wear medium. If you're a little bigger than me, then get an extra large. Like honestly, as long as whatever is bigger on you, that's what I would suggest. I've rarely had it where I've been like, oh, this is way too big. Like I just don't really think that happens unless you get like 2X. So just get bigger. This is not about being fitted. This is about being comfortable, cozy, but still feeling cute, and being able to wear all this stuff while you're laying around the house right now, because that's all we're doing, but also be able to like take pictures in it and look cute. And you know, you want to hop on your FaceTime and you want to like get on your Instagram, maybe get on your live stories. So this is definitely the haul for you. The next piece I got is from Missguided and their Playboy collection. I thought it was gonna be whack. I thought it was gonna be corny. Y'all, I got 3 pieces from the Missguided Playboy collection. Can I just show you the logo on the back of this? This is like if I were to put me on a hoodie, this is it. And actually, one of my girlfriends knows the person whose mouth this is, the chick who's the model whose mouth this is. So shout out to you, you dope as hell. Girl, this is fire. I got this in a size UK 10, US 6. I normally get like a US 4, 6 at Missguided, but I decided to size up again. And it is actually a hoodie dress, but I mean, you could wear this over leggings, without leggings, with bike shorts, you can wear it with sneakers and just alone. It's fire, the quality is amazing, the color is amazing, the graphic is dope. I really just want to hop back on there and get more stuff from this collection just because I love this so much. The next piece I got is also from the MissGuidedPlayboy collection, and it's part of a set. So the first part of the set is this tie-dye. Okay, I'm obsessed with tie-dye. I don't know what happened, but like I've always liked tie-dye and I have some tie-dye pieces, but lately I'm like, I want it in sweatsuits, I want it in big ass sweatshirts, like big ass t-shirts, like I want it in my covers, like what's up, let's get it. So this is, so I got this in a size, I believe UK 10 or UK 14. I'll attach below like what the sizes to everything are. I know I got it in a bigger size because it said on the website it was cropped. So I just wanted to make sure it was big enough to be like not every time I lift my arms up to be this short. Like I wanted it to be longer. It is the most beautiful tie-dye. It's like purple with like a little, it's almost like an optical illusion when you stare at it because there's like a blue rim around it. I got so many compliments on this. I already posted it on my IG. This has got to be one of my favorite sets, especially with like these little toggles they have. Like how dope are those? So I'm obsessed with this set, and to go with this set, I got the matching pants, girl. These pants are so dope. I'm obsessed. Wearing these two together has been like my favorite thing to do. I want like 15 sets of this in all different colors. And the sizing on this is a UK 12. So they're a little bit big, but again, I love them big. So I've been loving wearing these too, and I just wear them with like sneakers or even around the house. Like wearing the matching set makes me feel pulled together but still comfortable enough to be chilling in. The next pair of pants I have are another H&M staple. I get questions on these a lot, and I've had these for a minute, but I've been wearing them a lot lately and on my Instagram, and everybody's like, oh, they're the perfect fit. They're literally H&M, and they're a size small. So I'm pretty sure they're a men's small, but they come baggy. So they're a little baggy. They're the perfect small for me. I would never normally get a small, but these work. I'd probably still wear the medium. And it's like a khaki green color. It looks faded. They kind of remind me like Kanye West or something. And I actually love the way the waistband looks with this like 3-seam bunching. I love that. It looks like more expensive. So they do look a little bit more high-end than just being H&M. The last piece I have to show you are these little shorts I got from PacSun, and they're Adidas. So they're not vintage, obviously. So they're made a little bit more like current. They sit high up on your waist. You can fold them down, but they don't go up your butt. Like they're thick material and they look great with a t-shirt. So if you're just laying around the house and you want to wear like high socks, these shorts and a big t-shirt, these are the perfect shorts for that. They're a little bit, they're like kind of like a take on a bike short, but being more sporty and loose and thicker. They're not spandex. You could probably play sports in these, work out in these. I mean, I love them. I get comments on them all the time when I wear them. People always DM me and they're like, where'd you get those shorts? PacSun. So that's all the clothing. Oh, wait, I forgot something. I am wearing them right now, so you can't see, but I went to the OVO sample sale in New York City in Soho. And I'll actually put where I get my sample sales too in the bottom of this email, because I hit the best sample sales. That's where I got the LES t-shirt. And I went to the OVO sample sale. That's Drake's line, if you don't know. And they have little owls and everything. And I was like, let me check this out because it's a little pricey just for me to want to get normally. And I was like, if it's on sale, maybe I'll pick something up. So these are actually a size medium in men's, which I thought was crazy because they like just fit me, and I'm normally like a small in women's, so I'd probably even get a large, but I do love them, and every time I wear them somebody comments like, oh, those are fly, where'd you get those? Because they're so simple, and they have a great waist where like you can pull in the seam, right? You can pull in the tie right here and make them fit your waist really well so that they're baggy underneath your waist and then tight at the waist. And they have a zipper feature at the bottom in case you want to unzip them, similar to like an Adidas pant. The last thing I want to talk about, and I wanted to share this because I tried one of them last night. I thought that, like, to go with this comfy haul, what is better than face mask and skincare? And Influencer sent me these sheet masks from Dr. Jart. I had 2 of them, but I tried one last night. Girl, these are fire. Like, the one I had last night I think was allantoin. This is hyaluronic acid. The one I had last night was like a green color and it said it was allantoin, which is an ingredient that helps to soothe your skin. And since I have rosacea, it helps my skin a lot. But these are amazing. They feel amazing. They aren't like soaking wet when you put them on. They kind of just like form to your face. And I sat up on the computer and edited for like an hour with it on and forgot it was on my face. I'm telling you, I highly recommend these now that I've tried it, and it didn't make me break out. I used it yesterday. My skin still feels good, looks good, and I was really dehydrated before I used it, so honestly, fire. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for this haul today. I hope you found something that you love. If you have any questions at all or forgot to tag something below, just comment. I usually get back to people right away. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. There's a lot more like it on my channel, so feel free to look around, and I will see you guys next time.